Hi there, this is Engineer Vakas, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about very important topic that AI has transformed every single career. So what about engineering career, civil engineer career, mechanical engineer career, electrical engineer career, fresh graduates, mid-career, experience level people are already on the stake. So I'm going to talk about the specific skills in today's video. I'm going to talk about the application of AI, specifically Claude AI, and then I'm going to talk specifically about project planning, scheduling, and all that. This three-part system is going to give you the security of your career in upcoming years and more salary and more job offers in multinational company. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the magical things which Claude is doing with project planning and scheduling careers. So let me tell you one thing here, how amazingly it is going to change the things like progress dashboards. It is going to do the jobs for you to create new projects, and it is going to transform your XZR files. It is going to give you many more amazing things like simple BOQ into project planning data, which is part of today's video. So if you guys are going to write in the comment section area, my team is going to pick randomly 3 guys to add in my paid planning engineer workshop. So don't forget to write in the comment section area planning engineers. Stay there till the end of today's video because the important data, information, awareness, tips and tricks I'm going to share with you, maybe you are not going to find anywhere else. So this is really hard thing which I put effort last few weeks, and I gathered it specially for you people. And moreover, before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future, if I'm gonna make any kind of video, you get that link on time. Well, starting with this thing, like many of you people are suffering with low salary. Many of you people are negotiating with the managers. They are switching their career. They are switching their jobs just because to get that salary increment. Many of you people are just trying to apply for 100 jobs, but they are not getting back from those companies for job interview calls. They are not getting salary increment. This video is going to give you the solution, what exactly you have to follow. This is not something like a random video. It's not something like that. Really, I mean it. And if you are going to be there till the end of this video, and I would prefer you people to just take a notebook and write down each and everything. So let me start from the point that AI is going to replace engineers, civil engineers, electrical, mechanical, site engineers, planning engineer. It's not like that. First of all, AI skilled people, AI skilled project managers, AI skilled construction managers, AI skilled site engineers are going to replace non-AI project managers, non-AI construction managers, non-AI planning engineers. Why? Let me tell you one story here. Like 3 years before, I was awarded one project as a freelancer, as a remote job capacity, and I hired 10 people and they took 10 days or most probably 15 days to complete that project, planning, scheduling, estimation, each and everything. But now I was given the same capacity of project, same volume of project, and I was able to do that project in one single day, single-handedly. You know why? Because I knew how to operate Claude AI. I just transformed my complex raw data, BOQ data, drawing data into simple project planning data with the help of Claude AI. I knew how to make the logics. I knew how to calculate the duration, and now it was happened with one single day. Can you feel that? So in upcoming days, what is going to happen? The reality is companies are going to replace 10 engineers, and they are going to replace those 10 engineers with the help of 2 or maximum 3 people, 3 engineers who are much efficient with Claude AI. Because Claude AI is going to do your job, my job, any other buddy job, but they need one guy who is efficient to operate Claude AI. So let me tell you one thing, like I'm gonna start with the perspective of engineers, right? I am here to tell you the information how engineers are going to secure their job career. First of all, I always talk about a project planning control, project scheduling. This is all about project management. Now, project management is going to stay there. There is no danger to this job career. You are civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer. You can become a planning engineer. Planning engineer is the job role who is going to apply project management on building construction projects, road construction projects, data centers, substation projects, oil and gas projects. So it is secure. But what is the twist in the story? The twist is like that if you are getting like 10 days to do one single job manually right now, But with the help of AI, it is going to take only 10 minutes. Yes, I repeat again, 10 days versus 10 minutes. To whom company recruiter manager are is going to choose? Of course, the person who is going to able to do that job in 10 minutes. Now, this everything, industry, everything is fast track, fast paced, right? So let me explain the secret. As an engineer, if you are getting low salary, you are surviving with your, low salary career, no growth, you want to switch your career. So this is a golden opportunity right now. Let me tell you and explain you each and everything. First of all, what you have to do, you are fresh graduate, then it is blessing moment for you to adopt planning engineer job career because you have nothing to lose. If you're a mid-career level engineer, you are a project manager, you're a construction manager, you have to start understanding project planning scheduling because project management is the future of industry. Apart from that, you have to start learning AI, become AI skilled engineer. Now a lot of people, when they hear AI skilled engineer, they just get into that information like I need to learn machine learning. I No, 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 you don't need to get into that part. You have to do only your job. Let me share with you the Claude AI interface, and parallel to that, I will be explaining each and everything how you have to harness AI along this career, right? So here is your the Claude AI. This I have already explained. You can click above there. There are many other videos I have made already to sign up with your Claude, to get familiar with Claude basics and all that. But right now, I'm just going to tell you that project planning and scheduling, this is a software to which you have to learn, because project planning, scheduling, and Primavera P6, actually project planning and scheduling is the complete skill set which is going to give you the complete understanding, authority to implement project management on building, road, and pipeline. Okay, so we talk about this one. So as a engineer, you have to learn this skill. This is your career skill. Now, how to speed up this skill, how to make in more demand for multinational companies. Either you're a construction manager, you have to transform your ordinary skilled engineering career into AI skilled engineering career. You have to add Claude AI into this learning, right? So where what points Claude AI is going to help you? So there are multiple points. When you are going to work as a planning engineer, the first stage, you have to consult with your contract, right? Contract is something which is big book, too many clauses, too many conditions, too many contractual milestones. But as a planning engineer, you have to take your conditions, like I have to develop this project schedule. So what are my important things I have to gather out of it? So simple thing, you have to take that document and upload that document into your here. See, in this one, right? Simple thing. I will be showing many things over here live in this video. Don't worry. So just give a prompt. Prompt means you are going to give an instruction to Claude AI as per your skill, as per your requirement, as per your input, right? And according to that input, according to those instructions, you are going to get those outputs, right? So first thing is done easily. Before it was taking a lot of time, maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, right? But now it's very easy. The second most important thing, the major thing which you can transform your BOQ, like you got BOQ. Let me share with you BOQ as a planning engineer. It is going to change your job career. See, this is a BOQ of building construction project. See, right now, this is raw data, which is derived from designs, right? Building construction civil data is there, and building construction, this is something, just 1 minute. Yes, this is MEP. This is something like firefighting, and then we have electrification, and then we have ICT. So this is a BOQ raw data, totally raw data. Now, how Claude is going to transform this job into very quick thing? Like before, it was taking maybe many hours. Just imagine to transform this data into, we are supposed to load this data into Primavera P6. But if you are not planning engineer, I'll need to explain it. So take that raw data into Primavera P6. Project management guides us to transform that data into different kind of deliverables like work breakdown structure, and then that work breakdown structure will be followed by task list, like you can see right now on the screenshot. See, if I can just click here, project WBS, first you need to convert what exactly we are supposed to build. We are supposed to build mechanical things, we are supposed to build electrical, we are supposed to build plumbing works, right? So this is only MEP work actually. So these are major deliverables, and then we are supposed to add in the activity list with the, see, in HVAC system, this is the task we are supposed to do. This is the task for installation work, electrical works, task list is there. So now it will take a lot of time if you are going to manually transform that BOQ into your planning data BOQ. So let me share with you over here, and I'm just going to share with you with a simple prompt. See, I have uploaded that simple prompt over here. See, this is my document, BOQ document, and this is a prompt. I have given the instructions: act as planning engineer for building construction project. I want you to convert this BOQ into WBS and activity list. Now, this is my thought process. This is my concept. Before using Claude AI, I always give this tip. This is a strong recommendation: expert in your domain, expert in your career, because without expertise in your career, in your domain, you cannot make a Claude AI train enough that it can easily pick up your requirement and give you the output like the way you want from it, right? So exactly, you have to first train yourself for project planning, scheduling, Primavera P6, industry-oriented processes, and all that, right? So that is what going to make you able to put all those terminologies, processes, documentations into that prompt. Every day, just do it 5 times, like just write down that prompt by a pen on a book. This is going to help you a lot. Now, this is not the time of coders, programmers, this is the time of the people who are having good communication. They can convey their requirement in an efficient way. That is all you have to do. See, I'm just giving the instructions what must be the sequence of WBS. So WBS must be broken down in a specific industry way, like first phase level WBS, discipline level WBS, you can see here, and then it will be product level WBS, then it will be work package level WBS. This is my inner side learning from industry as a project manager, right? So if you are there and you just directly want to use AI and you are thinking AI is going to do everything for you, it's not like that. AI is nothing but your mind. If you are going to train AI, AI is going to give you 99% efficient things. But if you are not able to train your AI, then it is 0 by 0 for you, right? So I have given this prompt. By this prompt means I'm going to transform this data like this one. This data you are watching right now on your screen. This is BOQ. And you will see just in the time span of 10 minutes, it is going to change it into such kind of thing. Let me share with you. See, if I will scroll down this one, and you will see it will process it, because I have already done it for you people to just save your time. Otherwise, we would have been just waiting like this way, right? I just want to save your time. See, BOQ to WBS planning. I can download it and I can show you people how it looks like. So it looked like this one. How amazing this transformation is. This is a simple thing. I just applied with the help of 5 lines based prompt, and I uploaded that file, and in 10 minutes, it has done 20 hours work. See, all the WBS on the basis of phase level WBS, discipline level, product, sub product, and each and everything, their references, their unit of measures, their quantities, their rates, their amount, everything is transformed in so efficient and quick way. These are the activities, and every single thing is mapped out. You can't see, because I have given that instruction that nothing should be outside of this BOQ. Everything must be mapped out. Now, this task, if Claude AI can do, then it is the demand in the industry, because before it was requiring maybe 20 hours, maybe 40 hours. It depends how thick your BOQ book is there, right? Now, simple, take that soft copy and be efficient in structuring in structuring your prompt, how to compose your prompt. First, the tip number 1, you have to expert in your domain. The second thing, practice every day, writing up that prompt, input your requirements, each and everything. What are the trends which are run by expert people out there? Just listen them up and practice as per that, right? So that is the major task for you people to efficient in the prompt structuring, right? So that is where this Claude AI is going to help you a lot. See, this is the something very transformational. But now in this video, as an engineer, I want to help you people to understand other features of this Claude AI. The first feature is prompt. Prompt is simply going to take your any communication paragraph and going to give you the response in the perspective which you are going to give to this Claude. This is the simple thing. So in this regard, you have to train yourself in prompts. There are other features in Claude as well, which are magically going to change the things. First of all, I can take you there. And before moving over there, see, here we are. And if I can click over here, there are a few more features. Like if I can click here, customize, you can find out the skill. Now, if I click skill, there is skill creator. Click on this one. And now I want to highlight this one specific file, skill.md. Now, this file is really transformational in our job career. The skill.md Claude oriented file, which is present in customized feature, if you are going to click their skills, and then you can find under skill creator skill.md. This file is able to train itself on the basis of instructions you are going to provide. Like, for example, you are working as a quantity surveyor, you are working as a site engineer, and your specific tasks per day. You can write those all tasks on a paper or just click on this add button and then just browse those skills. If you are create those skills, upload, just write up that skill, save in this computer and upload that skill. Otherwise, you can create with Claude. Click on this button and then you have to create this skill.md file to train itself by enough data which is required to help this Claude AI skill.md file, that what exactly inputs it has to pick it up and what exactly the process it has to conduct and then output. Simple. And afterwards, what magic is going to happen? It is going to do the same thing. You don't need to give any prompt. You can see right now, I have already created two skills to convert my simple CV into ATS CV and to convert every BOQ into WBS, right? So you can see here, I can just click over here and I have given all those instructions. So every time I need to use this skill, which I have trained over here, I have to try in chats. And you can see it is gonna pin it over there and I can just upload any BOQ and it is going to quickly, because it is trained enough, right? So skill is something, skill.md file is going to replace dozens of people because they are going to, this file is going to train itself on the basis of instructions, job descriptions, and going to make magical things. That is important thing you have to understand. Then apart from that one, whenever you are going to use any Claude, what exactly you need to do. See over here, you have to use, this is RAG technology, okay? Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now, RAG, many people are not familiar with this technology, with this kind of feature of, project is all about that. You can make different kind of folders in your computer to place your English songs, to place your Hindi songs, to place your study material, to place your pictures and all that, right? The same thing, you are working multitasking agent on a Claude, so you can make different kind of folders. So to those folders, we can train, we can segregate their information from each other, and at the same time we can train them on the basis of documents we are going to provide. So for example, if I am going to click here and I just new project, I just name it, okay, anything ABC, and here you are going to provide all the possible instructions about that folder, what exactly you are going to upload, and then you are going to create that one. And afterwards, what exactly you need to do, you have to upload here the documents. Like I will give you an example. I'm working as a planning engineer in Aramco. So all those SOP standards, contracts, I can take and I can upload over here. Now it can train itself, and whenever I'm going to ask within this project anything, any query, it will give me the answer from the perspective of those uploaded documents. So this is RAG technology. Retrieval, it is going to retrieve the information from those uploaded documents, right? Superb feature. Don't randomly go on Claude and use it like this way. Then artifact, superb feature. Artifact is going to change the game. Now, artifact is something with the help of this feature in Claude. Artifact is also available to the people who are going to sign up for the free version. Okay, so artifact, like as a planning engineer, as a scheduling engineer, there are many things we are going to make, like productivity templates and each and everything. See, our targeted thing is productivity tools for resources to convert those quantum of works into productivities and productivity into man hours. We can create productivity tool over here for our own EAs. And the second most important thing are the document and templates. Superb thing. You can use this one and make multiple templates about your project as an engineer. You're a site engineer. You are going to come across daily progress reports, weekly progress reports, project dashboards. So Artifact is going to provide you that one. Okay, you have to train it, and it is going to produce for you people the simple mini app, mini website, mini document, mini template, and you can change them easily. Simple thing. So here I'm going to share with you the live example of artifact. I have just created one artifact here, and I can even create with you people as well. See, if you can just give me some time, I can go into artifact, and here you just need to click here, new artifact, start from scratch. Okay, otherwise you can simply go into new chats and give prompt that I need to create one artifact on the HTML link based, in which I just need to add any XZR file, any Excel file which is carrying some project data, and you need to create this thing. So that is what actually I'm going to share with you people over here. So output will look like this one. See, it is going to show you such kind of artifact output, which is HTML link. You can copy this HTML link from here and you can share with anybody. If you are going to write in the comment section area, don't forget my team is going to invite you in my upcoming live free masterclass, and there I'm going to give you the real workflows where exactly AI is going to help you people, right? So Claude is transforming the things. Claude is actually changing your job career. So at the end, I just help you people to start understanding this core skill, which is project planning and scheduling. For that, I have placed many tutorial links in my video details. If you are interested, you want to learn project planning, scheduling, this is the foremost important thing, because first you need to train yourself in that core domain, right? Afterwards, you have to use AI, and AI is there. AI is the reality. It's not something we are talking about, something which is not there. It's already there. People are using AI, and with the help of AI, they are making good job opportunities. They are transforming their careers. I know a lot of people out there. And if you are interested to learn this project planning, scheduling, and you want to transform your job career in just time span of 3 to 4 months, I mean it, right? So then you can start learning project planning, scheduling. If you are going to write in the comment section area, my team is going to invite you in my upcoming live free masterclass, in which I'm going to introduce the full planning system, in which not only one skill but the combination of 4 systems are going to be delivered to you people in this live free masterclass, which is going to give you a visibility how to pursue your next AI skill engineering, planning engineering job career.